Oh, yeah, he's on the roof. Oh.
Hit him in the head.
Fuck, he's pissed himself, bro. I'm gonna try and get a mad flank on here. I'm gonna kill these guys. I am determined to kill these guys, alright? I have 3 flashes equipped. I'm ready for this. I was born for this.
He's fucking scoping me up the cunt.
Where is he?
He's on the roof still.
Fuck. That's not good. I can't shoot them on the roof.
I'll just keep tapping him, but I got no. Fuck, I am so fucking close to this.
He's still on the roof?
Yeah.
Oh, he's seen me. Yeah, he's seen me.
I've got 1 bullet left. Fuck! I'm out.
Oh! I just Derringer killed him, bro. I just
He's going
headshot
for his
him.
mate, he's going for his mate, he's going for his mate.
I just headshot the fucking dude with a Derringer. I'm gonna blind the shit out of him. There's 1. There's 2. I'm going up the ladder.
Go, 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 go.
2,
Are they up top?
4. Okay, they're beyond the line now.